Self-improvement. It's a journey we all embark on, a path paved with the desire to become the best versions of ourselves. It's about growth, learning, and embracing the potential that lies within each of us. This journey, like any other, begins with a single step: the decision to embark on a quest for self-discovery. It's a journey that requires courage, honesty, and a willingness to look inward. This journey isn't about attaining perfection, for perfection is an elusive illusion. It's about progress, about taking small, consistent steps each day that move us closer to our goals. It's about recognizing our strengths and weaknesses, embracing our imperfections, and striving to become better, kinder, and wiser individuals. As we navigate the path of self-improvement, it's essential to remember that we are not alone. We all stumble and fall, experience doubts and fears. But it's in those moments of vulnerability that we discover our true strength. Surround yourself with a supportive community, seek guidance from mentors, and celebrate every victory along the way. Remember, the journey of self-improvement is an ongoing process, a lifelong adventure of learning and growth. Embrace the challenges, cherish the triumphs, and never stop believing in your ability to transform your life. Self-reflection is the compass that guides us on our journey of self-improvement. It's the process of looking inward, examining our thoughts, beliefs, and actions to gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. Take some time each day to reflect. Journal your thoughts, meditate, or simply engage in quiet contemplation. Ask yourself what brings you joy, what challenges you face, and what areas you want to improve. As you delve deeper into self-reflection, you'll begin to uncover your core values, the guiding principles that shape your decisions and actions. These values are the foundation upon which you can build a fulfilling and meaningful life. Through regular reflection, you'll gain clarity on your goals, aspirations, and the person you aspire to become. It's a powerful tool for self-discovery, empowering you to make conscious choices that align with your true self. Every individual is a unique tapestry, woven with strengths and weaknesses. Recognizing and embracing both is crucial for personal growth. Our strengths are our superpowers, the qualities that make us shine. Identify your strengths and leverage them to your advantage. Just as important is acknowledging our weaknesses. These are areas where we can improve, learn, and grow. Don't shy away from them. Instead, view them as opportunities for development. Seek feedback from trusted friends, family members, or mentors. Their perspectives can provide valuable insights into your blind spots. Consider taking personality tests or seeking professional guidance from therapists or counselors. Remember, acknowledging our weaknesses doesn't diminish our worth. It's a sign of self-awareness and a commitment to personal growth. Our habits, those small, repetitive actions we perform each day, have a profound impact on our lives. They can either propel us towards success or hold us back from reaching our full potential. Take some time to analyze your daily habits. Are they aligned with your goals and values, or are they hindering your progress? Journal your habits for a week or two to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Once you've identified your habits, focus on replacing negative ones with positive ones. Start small and gradually build momentum over time. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to habit formation. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, mindful walking, or mindful eating, can help you become more aware of your habits and make conscious choices that support your well-being. Section 5. The gift of feedback. Feedback, both positive and constructive, is an invaluable gift on the journey of self-improvement. It provides us with different perspectives, helps us identify blind spots, and motivates us to grow. Embrace feedback with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Don't become defensive or dismissive, even if the feedback is difficult to hear. Seek feedback from trusted sources, individuals who have your best interests at heart. Ask specific questions and actively listen to their responses. Consider their perspectives and use their feedback as an opportunity for growth. Remember, feedback is a gift, not an attack. Embrace it, learn from it, and allow it to help you become the best version of yourself. Section 6. Building your support system. As we embark on our self-improvement journeys, it's essential to surround ourselves with a supportive community. These are the people who believe in us, encourage us, and hold us accountable. Identify individuals who inspire you, who embody the qualities you aspire to cultivate. Spend time with them, learn from them, and allow their positive energy to uplift you. Consider joining a support group or finding an accountability partner. Sharing your goals with others and having someone to cheer you on can make a significant difference in your journey. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. Building a strong support system can provide you with the encouragement, guidance, and motivation you need to thrive. Section 7. Setting goals, achieving greatness. Goals are the roadmap that guides us towards our desired destination. They provide us with direction, purpose, and a sense of accomplishment. When setting goals, it's essential to make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Write down your goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Don't be afraid to adjust your goals as needed. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. Remember, goal setting is an ongoing process. Continuously evaluate your progress, set new goals, and never stop striving for growth and improvement. Section 8. Celebrating milestones, fueling motivation. As you work towards your goals, it's essential to celebrate your milestones along the way. These small victories serve as powerful motivators, reminding you of how far you've come.